Good morning. So I just came out from the tunnel, the Road tunnel, and I thought I'd give a little bit stop and make a little video. So I'm all geared up for my function to all the way to Southend. From here, according to my map, it should be another 3 hours. Very lovely weather. It's beautiful. You know, the sun is out. My Brompton is still holding. And I'm still holding. So I have another 2 hours to go from here. So yeah, let's see. I just saw that in my way. Didn't know there was a mill here, but yeah, that's a nice mill behind me. I think from here it's gonna be a lot of nice green area. I'm still holding another just over 2 hours to go. But yeah, it's a really lovely weather. I think it's a plus for today that the weather is like amazing. My bike is still holding, looking good. I'm a little tired, but no, not really. I just stopped there and had a look at that one. That looks amazing. So from here, according to Mr. Google, I got another hour left. So it shouldn't be too far, so you can see the boat there. That's for the Southend. So part of the path is motorway, which is on my side, but there is a cycle path here, and yeah, I'm still cycling, still looking good, and yeah, please be careful on this path. And now it's a nice path, off-road. It's beautiful, really nice turn. Yeah, and I think I'm coming to a park, so I have to be careful. Another path, it's kind of jungle looking. There you go. It's quite difficult to cycle with one hand and hold the mobile on the other hand. Okay. Yeah, so I think I'm about less than an hour now. So yeah, I'm gonna keep cycling and then report there when I get. I just had to cross that barrier and I have to cycle this rough path from here. I think I'm getting very close. Not sure. Yeah, so I have to keep cycling that way. That's the park behind me, which is a nature reserve park. And yeah, okay, almost there, I think. It is a nice park actually. It looks really nice. As you can see, it's a very dangerous spot. I'm cycling with my one hand, but nobody's here, so it's fine. It's quite beautiful. I will just keep going and see what happens. So maybe it's good time for me to do a little bit. So I'm doing this ride from London to Southend to practice for my cycle ride, which I'll be doing in September, going London to Paris. Sorry, the QR code in here somewhere. If you like to support me for that ride, please do so. Yeah, so this is the path I keep going. It's a beautiful park. It's a nature reserve. Must be a lot of nature in here, but I can only hear the birds singing. But it's amazing. It's beautiful. I have to go this way. It's coming a little bit downhill, so I have to hold my both hands. Okay, so I'm almost there. I think it's a good place to take my first break. I've been cycling all the way from London. Didn't take any break. You can see this from here. I will put the map screenshot. I'm very close now, probably another 45 minutes. But I have a nice cup of tea and my biscuit. Here's my lovely Brompton. This is the one I'll cycling from London to Paris on. So it's a tough ride, but I think I'll be ready. So my today's ride is 40 miles each way, so it's 80 miles in total. But I'm taking probably 2 and 3 hours break when I have some nice fish and chips and whatnot. But my first day from London to Paris is about the same. It's about 80 miles, and then it gradually gets a little bit lower. So yeah, I'm gonna take a break here and then I'll carry on. So I'm getting a little bit here, and if you must know, I'm having a nice cuppa which I made at home. Hello, hello. What do you want? Are you hungry? Yeah, there's a nice dog here. Come here. What do you want? There's a nice, lovely dog in here. Came to me. I think he's looking. His owner is behind. He's probably looking some food. I'm having my lime bar and some nice tea before I move. Okay, so my tea break is done. I had a nice cup of tea, nice cuppa and a lime bar, and I have to carry on now. I came from that side and then here. Now I have to go on my right, and I think this is the path. It doesn't look like much of a path, but I'm sure it's a path, so I have to go this way now. Yeah, that was the path. I have to little bit walk. It's a very narrow path to get through, so see if I can. And there's stairs there, so I'll have to carry my bike, which is not a problem. I'm on a Brompton, so not an issue. Okay, there you go. So I think I've came off the park now, or maybe it carries on but we'll see. But this is the park behind me. It's absolutely beautiful. But I think if you're coming in the night, then make sure you got really good light. Otherwise it'll be very difficult to cycle. Just this one here is a little bit difficult. The one behind was fine. I don't know if I'm supposed to go this way because this is not even a cycle path. But I have to check it. I'm actually walking, I'm not cycling, because there's no way I can cycle this path on my Brompton. Maybe on a mountain bike it'll be fine. And you can see there is some dry muddy water. Okay, I have to. Doesn't look that great, and obviously I can't cycle on my Brompton, so I'm just gonna walk a little bit and see if I can get to a better path. But yeah, okay, I can't film and navigate my bike with one hand. Even though I'm walking, it's very difficult. So let's see. I suppose it's not bad, you can walk a little bit off your cycling route. People are getting ready for a picnic. Oh, it's a motorbike thing going on there. There's like a motorcycle race maybe, or a track or something. So people use that trail there for that. But I have to keep walking this way. Take to walk because I can definitely. I'm actually going this way. I have to go this way, I think. Let me check my map. I'm definitely sure I'm going this way. So I can join that road. So I survived that very narrow path. As you can see, it's behind me. It's hardly to walk in there. Because I'm on a Brompton, I was able to just carry my bike and walk. Now it opens up here. It's a big garden. So from here, hopefully it'll be fine. Last famous word. It's again a very narrow path. This one I might be able to cycle, I think. Yeah, doesn't look that bad. I should be able to cycle this one, so try to cycle a little bit. Because I can walk from here, I don't mind. But better than the one I just came from. That was maybe not even half of this side. But okay, I'm gonna cycle from here. It's a very nice spot again, actually. It's beautiful. Again, very nice green, as you can see. And yeah, you can definitely cycle this one. One was like a nightmare. Oh, again, I'm trying to navigate with one hand, cycle and film. Yeah, look at this. It's some boat in here. So I came back again on the river, close to the river. I'm just gonna go, I think, all the way to following this river, which might be a tail end of things, probably. Should be. I don't know, correct me or let me know what it is. Which I'm gonna keep cycling with one hand until I can. Hopefully not today. But yeah, it's physically this journey hasn't been any tough for me yet. I have to cycle back as well, so I'll see how that. Now I have a very rough path and it's going downhill, so I'm just walking because for my Brompton, I don't think it's it's very healthy path. It's very too many stones and whatnot, even though I do have good tires, but it's okay. I can walk from here. It's good walking path if you can. So here we are. I have reached. I thought I'd give you a nice from the top location. There's no water, as you can see. The water is probably another 10 miles or maybe next to London. Almost empty. But yeah, I'm here now after probably almost 5 hours because I have to walk for an hour. The lot of track was really bad and I couldn't cycle. But yeah, here we are. So now, nice just from there. Okay, so we're back now after nice food. And I'm just taking different route. As my friend I'm gonna cycle back with. Just met her at the seafront. It's a nicer route, but I'm taking back better than the one I came with. Yeah, and it's my friend. We're cycling back. Oh, some cycles, but there's nobody here. Yeah. Oh, there they are. Yeah. You are in my video as well. Hello, that's my friend Marez. And we have just found this take. I don't know, dog? Something? It's nice. Better than the... Oh, there you go, yes. Okay, thank you. I have no idea where we are. She's taking me somewhere, I have no idea. But it's nice, it's beautiful. It's better than the way I came here. Going back is turning to be amazing. Let's see what else we can see on the route. But this is good so far. Oh, the pump is what? Oh, I see. Okay, yeah. Nice. So, yeah, we can ask them. Let's go interview some people. So we have found some people here waiting to get somewhere. Maybe a group or something. They're not on track. So, but there's no water. How are they gonna go anywhere? There's walking probably. Oh, it's a walk group, yeah. Oh yeah, that's right, yeah. Okay, yeah, let's go. That's a nice spot. Outside of water. Yeah, could be. These people are walking somewhere. So they're going, I think they're with a group, they're going to walk somewhere from here. It's definitely a better route, And oh, we have a horse club in here, I think. So that's a better route than I came in from. I came from a jungle, as you saw, but this one is almost road and better paths. So we're gonna take another break. My friend is almost trying to find a seat to sit somewhere. So coming back apparently is a better path. I need to find this path. I will record it, and then it's going to be recorded in Strava, and I will share that if you want to follow it. The way I came was not that great. So this track Merit is taking me through is amazing, and I was just telling her this like a flower bed, isn't it, Merit? It's a flower bed compared to what I so great. Yeah, it's definitely a good path. If it works both ways, which it should, then I will post this path from my Strava app, and you can follow this path. Don't follow my previous path because that's it's a nightmare. It will take you through a jungle, as you can see. This path is mostly like this. There are separate cycle lanes away from main traffic, not in the jungle, so it's really good. So I'm gonna just follow that. It's a lovely path you brought us, Merit. Where do you learn this secret from? She's keeping all the nice secrets. She didn't tell me before. She took me through this path in a jungle. I have all my ankles, like blood is coming out and whatnot. Yeah, all her fault. There you go. Still on a very nice path. It's a cycle path all the way so far. Very nice, very clean. You can easily cycle, not walking like me when I came. So yeah, this is the path you wanna follow. I will share the link later. It's still going a really nice path, very easy to cycle. So now we are on a nice countryside road, so very less traffic in here. Yeah, so it's a nice countryside road. There's nice views around us. Oh. We have found a nice park path. This is the last park we have to go through to get to London, so we are very close. But this park is a lot better than the one I came on my way in. So yeah, this looks better. It's got a nice track. So yeah, we are heading back now. Maybe another hour and we'll be home. There you go. I'm almost getting to home. It's you can see it's the city airport on that side, and it's a beautiful sunset just in front of me. Very tired, but I'm almost there. Another view. That's Canary Wharf, just in front there. That's city airport there.